Hi, welcome to mywealth.com. I'm Bob O'Brien. I'm one of the senior instructors with the courses, and I want to go through with you today even more common missed deductions. And I also want to point out, it's really important, and I know I mentioned this in some of my prior blogs, you definitely want to check out the written blog because that really sets you up for making sure that you catch all these deductions. But you want to make certain that you know your 1040. I can't stress this enough because it's really like the tree trunk to your whole return. You also want to know Schedule A, and that's one of the sections that we're going to go through today in Schedule A that's really chock full of deductions. Schedule B is another one, interest and dividends. Usually most people have those. If you have a business or you're thinking about starting a business, you want to be familiar with Schedule C. If you're doing investments or looking to do more investments, you really want to know your Schedule D. If you're doing real estate, Schedule E. If you have a farm, you want to know Schedule F. So if you're not doing some of those things, you don't need to know those schedules as much. But you want to be intimate with those schedules to make certain you have at least a good bird's eye view or bird's eye understanding of what's going on those schedules. That's going to help you maximize your deductions and trigger things off when things come up. So make certain you do that, and I've included links on the written blog at www.mywealth.com to all of those schedules. So make certain you take advantage of that. But I also want to talk about miscellaneous itemized deductions because this is an area that's chock full of deductions if you're itemizing your returns. It's normally subject to a 2% floor, where in other words, if you were making $100,000, you had adjusted gross income of $100,000, you need at least $2,000 of these expenses in order for it to start increasing your refund. Things can be unreimbursed employee expenses, and I've listed a couple in there, so make sure you check the written blog. Investment expenses, there's a lot in regards to investment expenses that you want to make certain that you're aware of. And gambling expenses, which is not subject to the 2% floor, but is a miscellaneous itemized deduction, and there's a link I included where it goes through how you should be tracking those expenses. I hope you enjoyed the blog today. Make certain you take advantage of the course where you'll be able to ask me questions, some more tax-saving tips. Again, the webpage is www.mywealth.com. My name is Bob O'Brien. I'm one of the senior instructors with the courses. Thanks for being with me today, and have a great day.